Speak Up English, the key to success.
Anna, have you ever thought about how life is just too short to waste on things that don't matter?
Absolutely, Ajay. It's a reminder to focus on what truly brings us joy and fulfillment.
So, what brings you the most joy in life, Anna?
Well, spending time with loved ones, pursuing my passions, and exploring new places definitely top the list. How about you?
I couldn't agree more. And I find laughter to be the best medicine. Life's too short not to enjoy a good joke or two.
I'm with you on that, Ajay. Got any favorite jokes to share today?
Here's one. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
That's a classic. And it's true. Atoms do make up everything.
You know, Anna, moments like these, sitting in the park and sharing laughter, are what make life beautiful.
I couldn't agree more, Ajay. It's about appreciating the little things.
And speaking of appreciating, do you have any bucket list items you're excited to check off?
Oh, I have a long list. Traveling to Italy, learning to play the piano, and volunteering in a foreign country are a few. How about you?
I'd love to travel the world, too, especially to Japan and learn to make sushi. And writing a novel is a dream of mine.
Those sound amazing, Ajay. Life is too short not to chase our dreams.
You're absolutely right, Anna. Let's make the most of every moment and cherish the journey.
Cheers to that, Ajay. To a life well lived.
Anna, I've been thinking about how we often get caught up in the daily grind and forget to truly live. Life is just too short for that.
You're absolutely right, Ajay. It's a reminder to find meaning and joy in the simple moments.
Have you ever had a moment that made you realize how precious life is?
I remember the time I went skydiving for the first time. Jumping out of that plane was terrifying, but it was also the most exhilarating experience of my life. It made me appreciate every breath.
Skydiving, wow. That's on my bucket list too. But for now, I'm learning to appreciate the beauty of everyday life.
That's a wonderful mindset, Ajay. Sometimes it's the small, everyday moments that hold the most magic.
Absolutely. Like a peaceful morning with a hot cup of tea or a spontaneous dance in the rain.
Those sound like beautiful moments, Ajay. It's about finding joy in the present.
And speaking of joy, what's one thing you want to do in the near future that would bring you immense joy?
I've always wanted to learn salsa dancing. It looks so fun and energetic.
That sounds amazing, Anna. Maybe we should take a salsa class together one day.
I'd love that, Ajay. Life is too short not to dance our hearts out.
You're absolutely right, Anna. Let's embrace life's adventures and make the most of every moment.
Here's to that, Ajay. To a life filled with laughter and dancing.
Anna, have you ever thought about the impact you want to make on the world during your lifetime?
Yes, Ajay. I believe we should strive to leave a positive mark, no matter how small, on the people we meet and the world around us.
That's a beautiful perspective, Anna. It reminds me of the importance of kindness and empathy in our interactions.
Kindness goes a long way, Ajay. It can create ripples of positivity that extend far beyond our immediate circle.
Do you have a personal motto or philosophy that guides you in life?
I believe in living authentically and with purpose. Life is too short to be someone you're not and to drift without direction.
That's a powerful philosophy, Anna. It encourages us to be true to ourselves and pursue our passions.
And speaking of passions, what's something you're truly passionate about, Ajay?
I'm deeply passionate about environmental conservation. I believe we have a responsibility to protect our planet for future generations.
That's a noble passion, Ajay. It's inspiring to see people working towards a better world.
Thank you, Anna. It's a cause close to my heart. And you, what's something that brings you immense joy and purpose?
I find purpose in supporting education initiatives, especially for underprivileged children. Knowledge empowers and changes lives.
That's a wonderful cause, Anna. Education truly is a powerful tool for transformation.
Indeed, Ajay. Let's remember that life is a gift, and it's up to us to make the most of it while leaving a positive legacy.
Cheers to that, Anna. To a life of passion, purpose, and positive impact. Anna, spending this day talking about life and its fleeting nature has been truly meaningful.
I couldn't agree more, Ajay. It's a reminder to savor each moment and make our lives count.
You know, Anna, it's not just about the big moments or grand achievements. Sometimes it's the small acts of kindness that can make a lasting impact.
Absolutely, Ajay. Kindness has a way of touching people's hearts and leaving a mark that lingers.
Is there a particular act of kindness that someone has done for you that you'll never forget?
Once, a stranger paid for my coffee when I was having a rough day. It was a small gesture, but it brightened my day and restored my faith in humanity.
Those unexpected acts of kindness are like little miracles, Anna. They remind us of the goodness in the world.
And speaking of goodness, what's one thing you want to accomplish that would make you feel like you've lived a fulfilling life?
I want to create a space for environmental education and conservation awareness. If I can inspire even a handful of people to care for our planet, I'll consider it a life well lived.
That's a wonderful goal, Ajay. And I believe you'll achieve it.
Thanks, Anna. And you, what's something you aspire to accomplish that would bring you immense fulfillment?
I dream of establishing a scholarship program for underprivileged children, giving them access to quality education and the opportunity to chase their dreams.
That's a beautiful dream, Anna. It has the power to transform lives.
Ajay, let's cherish every moment and keep working towards our goals. Life is too short not to pursue our passions and make a positive impact.
You're absolutely right, Anna. Here's to a life filled with purpose, kindness, and meaningful connections.